Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a mobile ringtone secret trick. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. If you are bored with your daily ringtone, then this simple trick is for you. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Ringtone Randomizer. Here it is. Now you have to install this. Press on install. Now click on Open. Here you have to press on Allow. Now press on Next. Here you can see Allow Modifying System Settings. You have to turn on this button. Now go back. Now you can see here a plus icon. Press on this. Now here you can see different types of ringtone. You can choose your ringtone depend on your needs. Now press on this add option. These ringtones will play on your phone differently. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.